Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to do let's go to video animation using Canva. Alright, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to elements and we're gonna select a square. Once we select the square, we're gonna change the color to black. Now we're gonna adjust the size. Now we're gonna go to text. We're gonna add a text. We're gonna change the font. So I'm gonna be using Anton for this one. Gonna adjust the size a bit. Perfect. Now we're gonna save this as a PNG. Alright, so PNG. Then we download. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of this text. We're gonna go to elements. Once we go to elements, we're gonna search for a silhouette of an aeroplane. All right, we're gonna change the color to white to match the background. I'm gonna adjust the size a bit. I'm gonna bring it right here. And we're going to save this one as a PNG also. So once you save it as a PNG, alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all of this, and then you're just going to re-upload it to Canva. Alright, so I'm going to add my background. When I set image as background, now I'm going to go to uploads. I'm going to select the let's go to. Now I'm going to go to edit image, background remover. Perfect. Now I'm going to adjust the size a bit to match the background. Once I do that, I'm going to duplicate. After duplicate, you want to ensure that it's the same. Now I'm going to zoom in on the page. I'm going to crop this one, crop the first one, and then we're going to crop the second one. Okay, perfect. So now let's bring it to the side a bit. Zoom in back on the page. Now let's go to elements. Let's select this square. Adjust the size of the square. We're going to turn the transparency down to 0. Now we're going to duplicate. We're going to add it to the bottom section. Now we're going to group this one. Now we're going to group the top one. Group. We're going to select both of them. We're going to bring it to this corner. Once that is completed, we're going to go back to uploads and we're going to select our airplane. So we're going to go to edit image, background remover, select right here, adjust it a bit, adjust the size, want it a bit bigger. So now I'm going to go back to elements. I'm going to select a square again. I'm going to put the square right here. I'm going to change the color to black. I'm going to group both of them, and I'm going to bring it to this corner. Okay, so once all of that is completed, we're going to now duplicate our page. On the second page, we're going to go to positions. We want to ensure that the plane is at the top, and we're going to drag the plane to the next corner. Now we're going to do the same thing for the let's go to. Now we're going to duplicate the page again. We're going to bring this one to the top. We're going to bring this one to the bottom. Now we're going to add the transition match and move. Now we're going to turn this up. We're going to apply between all pages. Now we're going to go right here to the last slide. We're going to add a text. We're going to add Thailand. We're going to change the color to white. We're going to change the font. Now we're going to go to effects. We're going to add the effects lift. We're going to maximize it to 100. And this right here. Now we're going to go to animate. We're going to use the animation merge. We're going to select the text, select the three dots, show timing. Now we're going to adjust the timing. High timing. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more.